Monitor. 3M sticker. Attach the sticker to the bottom of the monitor stand. Loosen the buckle. Adjust the monitor stand angle. Install another monitor stand. Loosen the buckle. Adjust the monitor stand angle. .3M sticker. Loosen the buckle. Sliding up and down can fix the bracket in any position. Cigarette lighter. Plug to DC plug. Plug to cigarette lighter and turn on the red switch. Image appears. Antenna. Camera antenna. The power cord. Red wire is positive wire. Black wire is ground, negative wire. Image appears. IR sensor. Press and hold the button in the middle of the camera. The light of the display is bright when the light is dim. Power button. In single screen mode, press plus or minus to switch the camera screen. Press the CH button to switch between single and quad mode. Single picture mode. Switch to the split screen in the menu. Press plus or minus button to switch. Press the SEL button to confirm. When the two-part screen is selected in the menu, press the CH button to switch between single screen and split screen. Switch to single screen mode in the menu. Automatically confirmed after a period of time. When the single screen is selected in the menu, switch key is invalid. Press the menu button once to enter the brightness mode. Press plus or minus button to adjust data. Press the menu button again to enter the volume adjustment. Press the menu button again to enter the screen mode. If you want to press the CH button to switch to the single screen of CAM2, first you need to switch to CAM2 by pressing the plus or minus button in single screen mode. Then press the CH button to switch to single screen mode. Press and hold the CH button in single screen mode to open the reverse ruler line. Press and hold the CH button again to close the reverse ruler line. Press and hold the menu button in single screen mode to enter the code. Reopen the camera power supply. The screen appears to indicate that the code is successful. Press the SEL button in the quad mode to adjust the screen flip. Press the SEL button in the quad mode to adjust the screen flip. Switch to split screen mode. Now connect to the second camera. Merging red wires. Merging black wires. Now start the code for the second camera. First switch to the single picture mode of CAM2. Press and hold the menu button in single screen mode to enter the code. The screen appears to indicate that the code is successful. Switch to quad split screen. Now connect to the third camera. Now start the code for the third camera. First switch to the single picture mode of CAM3. Press and hold the menu button in single screen mode to enter the code. The power cord. Merging red wires. Merging black wires. Plug to DC plug. Turn on the red switch.